Hi, my writers. How's everybody doing today? So for writing today, we are going to start brainstorming and thinking about your next writing topic. Just as a friendly reminder, can anybody tell Miss Laspiza, by raising your hand, of course, what was the book that we read about and listened to on Friday? Good job, boys and girls. I like how you raised your hand. Yes, we read a book about your families. So your writing topic for this informational piece is going to be about your immediate family, the people that live with you in your house. Now, everybody has a different and unique family, no matter what. I just want everyone to be mindful of that, boys and girls. So for writing today, you are going to take your writing paper that Miss Laspiza gave you before you left. And the writing paper I want you to use is the one that has the box in order for you, boys and girls, to illustrate your immediate family. So your task and assignment today, boys and girls, is I want you to draw a picture of who is in your immediate family. Do you have mom living with you? Do you maybe have dad living with you? Are your grandparents living with you? Do you maybe have a sibling living with you? Do you have maybe just mom and dad living with you? And I also want you to make sure you include the pets that are living with you now. So here's an example of Miss Laspiza's here. So you can see Miss Laspiza drew a picture of, Miss Laspiza. There's Mr. Laspiza or Vinny. And then, of course, I have my house, and I think you boys and girls know who that is there. You've seen him in a lot of my videos recently. Make sure that you boys and girls have 10 to 12 colors. You know I'm counting. Then after that, I would like you boys and girls on the bottom part of the box, I'd like you to start writing down some facts. I want you to choose 3 to 5 facts. No less than 3, no more than 5. So again, you can do 3 facts, 4 facts, or 5. You are going to do and write facts about your immediate family. So here's an example of Miss Laspiza's. I wrote here that Vinny's birthday is July 1st. And I believe Ethan has the same birthday as Vinny. I also put here, we have a cat named Des. His eyes are as green as a lime. I love to see boys and girls include some similes in your writing. And then I also finally put one more fact is that Vinny is a black belt in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. Notice that I'm writing about my family and I'm not writing about Miss Laspiza. I'm writing about my immediate family. I would like you boys and girls to do the same. So again, your task today is the first thing you need to do is draw a picture of your immediate family and include yourself in it. Make sure you have 10 to 12 colors. I'm going to count them. And then finally, I want you to write 3, 4, or 5 facts about your immediate family. You can write when their birthdays are, what do they do as a job, or maybe their hobbies, or such as maybe some of their favorite colors. Think about it, boys and girls. But again, friendly reminder, notice Miss Laspiza did not write about herself. I only wrote about my immediate family. So until next time, writers, I'll talk to everyone soon. Do a good job today. Bye.